Hi everyone, today we're going to work in our math journal again, and we are going to turn to page 25. We did page 24 yesterday, so we're looking at page 25. So put a 25 down at the bottom. We're just going to quickly review fact families. We'll see how focused this is. I might have to refocus it again. So first off, today we're talking about fact families. And fact families are pretty much one of my favorite things in math. I don't know why I like them so much, but I just do. And there can be fact families for multiplication and division as well, but today we're talking about fact families in addition and subtraction. I'm just going to abbreviate subtraction there because I ran out of room. Okay. And what a fact family is, it's when we use, so I'm going to put use three numbers to write four equations that are all related. That's why they're called fact families, because you're related to all the people in your family, and all the facts in the family are related. So now what you're going to do is get your little house out that you made earlier, and I'm going to neatly cut this out on the lines. My little fact house. You do the same thing. If I'm going too fast for you, hit pause so you can get caught up. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to glue my little house on. I've got to still do some writing down here at the bottom. So when you glue your house on, glue it close to the word equation so that you have room below. I'm just going to put a couple dots of glue on here. Like always, no oozing glue. Stick that right on there. And then in our house, this top number, okay, so I'm going to draw a little arrow here. This top number, this is the sum in addition or the minuend in subtraction. Okay. So that top number in our triangle. in our roof is the sum and addition or the minuend and subtraction. And it's always going to be the largest of the three numbers unless we're dealing with a 0. Then in that case, two of these numbers are going to be the same and we're going to have a 0. Okay, but this top number is always the sum and addition or the minuend and subtraction. It's purple like on my cards, and that's why we traced these in purple, and then we're going to underline this in purple also. Then down here, we're just going to write another fact family, but we're going to do it with a 0, okay? So you can see what that looks like. So let's use five plus 0 equals 5. So if this was in a triangle card, our 5 would be at the top. We'd have a 5 on the side and a 0. Okay. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Then remember that the addends need to trade places. So I'm going to draw little arrows. So now we have 0 plus 5 equals 5. And now my sum has to become my minuend. So 5 subtract 0 equals 5. Move this so you can see it better. Okay. And then finally, we know that these two need to swap places across the equal sign. So this stays the same. 5 subtract 5 equals 0. Now if we follow the 0 each time, you'll see our pattern. We're going to write one more thing down. And that is that we're going to write doubles, facts, or doubles fact families. Doubles fact families only have 2 equations. So we'll write an example of that. So we have, let's do 5 plus 5 equals 10 And if we do the turnaround fact, it's the same thing, so we don't need to write it again. So let's write the related subtraction fact. So this becomes my minuend. 10 subtract 5 equals 5. I'm going to highlight that in orange. Finish up page 25 and keep having fun with fact families today. I'll see you soon.